Supporting your partner's entrepreneurial dreams is fantastic, but it's essential to approach it with clarity and teamwork. First things first, communication is key. Sit down together and have an open, honest discussion about your partner's business venture. Talk about your financial goals, concerns, and how you can best support each other. Next, set clear expectations. Discuss how much financial support you're comfortable providing and establish boundaries to ensure it doesn't strain your relationship or finances. Consider creating a separate budget or financial plan specifically for the business. This can help you track expenses, set goals, and stay on the same page throughout the process. And remember, supporting your partner's business is a team effort. Be each other's biggest cheerleaders, celebrate wins together, and navigate challenges as a united front. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek professional advice if needed. A financial advisor can offer valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. So, couples, embrace this journey together. With open communication, clear expectations, and a whole lot of teamwork, you'll conquer any financial challenge that comes your way.